Hello, my dear students. Myself, Chiranjeevi HV. Today, we are going to discuss about the study about the sociology first chapter, the introduction of the sociology. See, the what is the meaning of sociology? The introduction of the sociology. The what is the meaning of sociology? The origin of the sociology, the scope of sociology, and nature of sociology, and importance of the sociology, and the interrelationship between the sociology and other social sciences. Then information about the Western and Indian sociologies. Okay, see the first, the introduction of the sociology. The what is the meaning of sociology? What is sociology? The sociology means what? See, what is the meaning of sociology? The sociology is the study of social activities of the human being. Study of social activities of the human being, nothing but what the sociology. Then who is the father of sociology? Who is the father of sociology? The Auguste Comte. The Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. Auguste Comte is an important French philosopher. He was the first social philosopher also. He is called as the father of sociology. Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. See, for example, the Comte, Auguste Comte used the word sociology for the first time while delivering the public lecture on the positive philosophy. Okay, the for example, the word sociology is there. No, see, the Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. Auguste Comte used the word sociology for the first time while delivering the public lecture in positive philosophy. See, Auguste Comte is generally known as Auguste Comte. He was the father of sociology. See, then what is the introduction of the sociology? What is the meaning of sociology? See, the science that study human society and social behavior and social interaction, how do people relate to each other and influence each other. The sociology is the study of social behavior. See, according to Karl Marx, the sociology nothing but what a web of social relationship. According to the Karl Marx, he was the Western political thinker and he was the Western social thinker also. Okay, according to Karl Marx, what is the meaning of sociology? See, what is the meaning of sociology? See, that is also called a web of social relationship. So what is the meaning of a web of social relationship? There is no sociology without individual, and there is no individual without society. No individual can live alone on the earth. Since a human being is a social being, man is a social animal, man is a political animal, man is a rational animal. Is it or not? See, like that only. See, but there is no society without individual, and there is no individual without society. No individual can live alone on the earth. Since a human being is a social being, he always longs to live without other human being. The social living is necessary for the well-being and growth. Hence, human society is called as a web of social relationship, according to Karl Marx. Okay, see, in like that only the sociology, the introduction of the sociology is there. No, see, what is the meaning of sociology? For example, what is that? The human being are different from other animals and other intellectual being. A man is a social animal, man is a political animal, man is a rational animal, and like that only. See, for example, what is it? The human being are the different from other animals and other intellectual being. There are a lot of difference between animals and human being. Is it or not? Say, for example, what are the more different from human and animals? Okay, see, human is very creativity. See, for example, in body structure also different, the rate of growth also different, the food consumption also very different, and creativity, evaluation in the brain can be noticed. These are all the main important difference between the animals and human being. That's what man is a social animal, man is a political animal, man is a rational animal. See, this is the introduction of the sociology. Then, what is the scope of the sociology? The sociology studies the human society. It studied human society life and social relationship and social institution and social process. This is the scope of the sociology. Like the meaning of the sociology. The word sociology originates from the two words, from the Greek word logos, and logos means what? Science or study. From the Latin word socio. Socio means what? Companion or being with other. Okay, the word sociology originates from the two words, from the Greek logos, that means what? Science or study. From the Latin word socios, that means what? Companion or being with others. Man is a social being. Man is a political being. Man is a rational animal. Is it or not? That's what is the meaning of the sociology. See, the next concept is what? The scope of the sociology. So, scope of the sociology. The sociology study the human society. It studied human society life, social relationship, and social institution and social process. Is it or not? See, in like that only, for example, sociology. For example, who is the father of sociology? Auguste Comte. According to Auguste Comte, see, for example, the interrelationship between sociology and other social sciences. Okay, see, for example, what is it? See, see the definitions of the sociology. See, according to the Western sociologist, for example, Max Weber. According to Max Weber, what is the meaning of sociology? The sociology is the study of social behavior. Emily Durkheim. What is the meaning of, according to Emily Durkheim, what is the meaning of sociology? The sociology is the science of social institution. According to the father of sociology, Auguste Comte, the sociology is the science of social phenomena subject to the natural and invariable laws and the discovery of which is the object of investigation. These are all the main definitions of the sociology. See, next concept is what? So what is the scope of the sociology? What is the scope of the sociology? The nature of the sociology, the importance of the sociology. Okay, what is the difference between the Indian socialist and for Western socialist? See, for example, the first one is what? Say the nature of the sociology. Okay, the sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Listen carefully. The sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Is it a matter? Say the sociology belongs to the group of social sciences and not to the group of physical science. The sociology is not a physical science, it is only the social science. It studied social life and activities of the human society. It also has a close relationship between other social sciences like history, political science, economic, psychology, and anthropology. Okay, this is the difference between the sociology and the other social sciences. Okay, see, the sociology is a social science but not a physical science. The next point is the next nature, next future of the sociology is what? Say, for example, what is it? Say, the sociology is a definitive study and but not a directive study. The sociology is a definitive study, not a, what is it? Directive study. See, for example, the sociology study the human society as it is. It never engages with how it should be studied. It does not engage in the value judgments. Okay, it aims to objective study only. The sociology remains naturally in the value-based aspect. That's what the sociology is definite study and not a directive study. The third point is what? The sociology is the pure science and not a applied science. Okay, the sociology is the interested in objective study that result in the formation of the imperial body knowledge only. Okay, it is not applied science with the interested in experiments. Okay, and sociology is a pure science, not a applied science. This is the main reason. Okay, the sociology is an intellectual intangible science and not a tangible science. See, what is the difference between tangible and intangible science? Why the sociology is intangible science but not a tangible science? The sociology is not interested in some of the tangible aspects of the human life. Okay, it has interested in the form of pattern of events. Okay, and it has no interest in any specific battle of revolutions, like there is no any revolution at all, there is no any battle at all like history. It consider those events as a pattern and forms and social complete of the subject themselves, scientific study. The sociology is the systematic study of a study of social activities of the human being. The sociology is the general science and not of his special science. See, among all the social sciences, only the sociology stand is the generally science because of this is the youngest science among the all social sciences. Okay, that's what the sociology is, the general science, not a special science. Okay, this is the nature of the sociology. This is the nature of the sociology, and futures of the sociology also same. There is no any differentiation. The nature of the sociology and what are the features of the sociology. Then the what are the importance of the sociology? Okay, what are the importance of the sociology? First, the sociology studied human society scientifically. Because of why? Auguste Comte, only the father of sociology, is only the right person to study of sociology in the systematic manner. That's what he was the father of the sociology. The sociology construct a systematic body of the knowledge of the human society with its scientific study. This aid progress in other field of human life. That's what the sociology studied human society scientifically. Okay, the next point is what say for example the sociology, importance of the sociology. Okay, supplement the personality development. See, the human being is a mainly a social being. Man is a social animal, man is a political animal, man is a rational animal. No, see, that's what the changing nature of the sociology. Okay, see, for example, the structure of the sociology, the growth under changes of the individual responsibility, the sociology, the facilities, honesty, personality development, which is the main motto of the sociology, the how to development of the personality. Okay, the personality development is the main motto of the sociology. Thus, this is the importance of the sociology. Then next point is what understanding social process. Understanding social process. The sociology aids the proper understanding of the social process by studying the religion, tradition, culture, social rules and regulations, values, moral values, ethical values, social values, out implementation of the what humanity, hospitality. Okay, the sociology is only the right science development of the personality. The sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship between the various social institutions. Okay, that's what the understanding social process. Okay, the next point is what aid in understanding social problems and their solution. What are all the main problems of the society? How to solve that? What are all the eradication methods of the solve of the particular problem? Okay, how to solve the problem? What are all the main problems they are all facing? Okay, as if for example, our society. Okay, now for example, the aid in the understanding the social problems and their solutions. Okay, see, every society, okay, for the own social problems are there. Is it or not? The society is facing problem like crime, for example, like casteism, anger, poverty, unemployment, discrimination, gender-based discrimination, child labor, inequality. Then what is unemployment? For example, like what is that? Discrimination, caste-based discrimination, gender-based discrimination, birth on the basis of caste, on the basis of money, on the basis of property, on the basis of color, on the basis of sex, okay, on the basis of religion. So many discriminations policies are there. See how to these are all the main problems of the society, sociology. So that's part of the sociology is only the that's what the sociology is the mother of all social science. Okay. The sociology support the effective implementation development program. Okay, the sociology is by studying the human society, the scientifically, the sociology aids the effective implementation of the development programs. See, what are all the main, how to solve the social problems, the social evils. Okay, for example, see, the sociology is only the right science, effective implementation of the development program. Okay, for example, what is right for us, what is wrong for us, what to do, how to do, okay, what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. See, for example, these are all the main important economic aspects also. Okay, the sociology is the support effective implementation development programs also. This is all the importance of the sociology. Like then the interrelationship between the sociology and other social sciences. What type of relationship is there in sociology and the social sciences? Because of that's what I'm telling you. The sociology is the mother of all social sciences. Okay. See, for example, the first one, the interrelationship between the sociology and the political science. The sociology means what? A study of social activities of human being. A study of social activities of the human being. Say, for example, what is that? Say, for example, there is a close relationship between sociology and political science. The political science, they study the interaction between political institutions, political life, and human being, and